My name is Joellen Thompson, and I've been a physical therapist for 42 years. Now, 2 months ago, I had my first and hopefully my only total knee replacement. And so now I was looking at, I fortunately did not have any home care. I came home one day from after the surgery, and the next day I was in therapy as an outpatient. But I knew how tough gaining motion is after knee replacements. What for me was difficult was going through a very rigorous physical therapy session, making a small amount of improvement with, of course, pain that accompanies trying to gain that type of motion, and then trying to come home and maintain what was gained in therapy in the home front. And what I would find is I could not do that. No matter how much pain I could force my knee, trying to get motion, it still was not what I had achieved in the clinic situation. So once I started using the OrthoBike for home use, I found out that now I finally had the ability to maintain, and maybe in some cases as time marched on and I became more expert in using the different adjustments in the OrthoBike, I was able to actually increase it. So the next time I would go in for therapy, what previously had been a very physically excruciating experience for trying to gain that range of motion was now coming much easier. And so I credit the ability to use the OrthoBike. So by having the OrthoBike, it allowed me to develop the confidence that yes, I could do this on my own. I could maintain those gains.